Hi, this is Michael Echeverria with Home Health Success Academy, and in this video, I want to be able to help you look into this program more further, right? In this program, my job is to be able to talk about the sales process. Basically, I'm going to help you develop a sales process, a customized sales process for your home health, your home care, your hospice agency. Now, having a sales process is key, and a majority of people don't even have one. And when they don't have one, they can't sell their agency. And if they can't sell consistently. I'm going to show you how to be able to construct your own sales process. And then in each step, each phase, I will show you what you need to say, what you need to do, information that you need to have to make sure that you are more effective when it comes to selling your services. Let me leave you in this note. I am often blown away and appalled that a lot of people will start a home health agency, a hospice agency, but then when it comes to training in their sales team, in their marketing team, they don't invest a lot of things. And what happens is they can't close the deals. And they think that maybe they're not good at selling. It's not that you're not good at selling, it's just that you don't have a process in place. You don't have a consistent process to be able to get more referrals consistently. Let me help you. I've worked with hundreds of agencies. I've dealt with thousands of people that's attended my seminars to be able to learn how to be able to market correctly. Look, let me tell you this. I've seen it all, right? I've worked with agencies who are startups. I've worked with agencies who've actually been around for a year only. And I've also worked with agencies who've been successful in the past, right? But then all of a sudden now there's a big change, right? So a lot of agencies are going through different levels of things. But in the end, what we start finding is that agencies that are not doing well, not getting referrals, not increasing their census on where they should be, or they're stagnant or hit a plateau, is that they don't have a consistent sales process in place. Now, agencies like yourself, I'm sure you've attended seminars before, and in these seminars that you've attended, you've learned how to be able to take care of your patients correctly. You've learned how to be able to code properly so you can bill correctly. You've attended all these seminars, you've attended all these webinars, but there hasn't been a seminar or a webinar that you've attended or meetings that showed you directly that you need to be able to learn how to sell your product, your services. Okay, now the word sales is sometimes frowned upon in the home health, the home care, the hospice industry. But guess what? We need to understand that that is what we do. In order for us to be able to get those referrals, we need to convince, a lot of these agencies, like these nursing homes, these skilled nursing facilities, these assisted living facilities, the physicians, that they need to be able to make a decision to start using your company right there and then. And like I said, a lot of agencies don't even have a sales process. You have a care process on how patients should be taken care of. You have an admission process on how to be able to make sure that we take care of the patient the moment that they arrive all the way to the end. Some agencies don't even have it. Clearly, they may have it, but they don't follow it. But one thing that we see a lot with a lot of agencies is that you actually do not have a sales process. A lot of companies will say, well, I have a business plan. A business plan is not a sales process. It's not a business process, really. And so what we're going to do here in this training, the basics of everything, is to first generate a sales process, create the core of your marketing and your sales, and then for you to be able to follow this consistently, to be able to create success in your agency. So let's go ahead and get started and start learning how to be able to create your own sales process and know what to say, when to say, to get those referrals.